sa airport di ay. And yeah, we're going to Bali, Indonesia. Yeah, ako lang mag-isa, and I think it's gonna be fun. So let's see what happens. Time to head to immigration and go to our gates. Manatag bago lang tayo mag immigration. It's time to find our gate and maybe hang out there, just sit down. I'm really sleepy. It's currently 2:10 pa pala. It's currently 2:10 in the morning, so alright. Just got done with immigration. Now I need to find like a money changer. By the way, guys, it's my first time here and I'm doing it alone, so it's really an adventure. So it's gonna be a lot of like figuring out, but we're just gonna have fun with it. We're here na pala sa hotel. We're just waiting for our check-in time. So right now I'm just finding something to do while waiting. I just head out to the beach, saw the scenery, and it was nice. I can't enjoy the beach right now because I'm not yet settled. So tanaw sa ta karon. It was nice. So right now I'm hungry, so I might just grab something to eat and just figure out what to do. So naka-check-in na tayo sa atong room finally. Karon try na tumato sa beach. Tara na to sa inala po dito at this time. I think it's almost 3 p.m. So yeah, let's see. Let's go. So currently, right now, I'm eating my dinner. I just ordered a bunch of stuff via Grab. So I got some noodles. I think this is the honey chicken, the fried chicken, and just rice. So I ordered from Grab because I know I just want to chill as a room, and I was just tired, you know, from the flights, from just being up all day, and yeah, I need some downtime. So I'll eat first, and I'll get back to you guys. So, hi guys. Today we're gonna go sa Ilang Harbor because we're gonna go to an island called Nusa, Penida. I think I'm gonna go bungee jumping today, so it's gonna be exciting. I hope everything goes well, you know, from the travels, you know, from just going there and doing bungee jumping. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's see what happens. So nabot na sa Ilang Harbor. Now we're just waiting for a ferry, and yeah, it was a long motorcycle ride, but it was cool. Very windy. So yeah, we'll wait again. Makita. I'm nervous. Not gonna lie, but it's gonna be fun.
Ready on.
It's on. It's on. Hold. Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Ready, set, go!
Oh my gosh. Oh, that was crazy. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. The view is nice though. Damn. Wild, bro. That was wild. Oh man. Thank you. hike though. Damn! Like it's an adventure in itself. Hike pa lang. But this view is nice though. I think it's worth going down to. It's worth all of that steps. This is nice, man. Grabe ka nice. Grabe ka nice. Oh man, so good. Well, time to go back. I think this, yeah, this delicacy. I think this fish smells good. So I'm gonna try. I don't know the name though. I think it has like coconut in there. I don't know. I'm just gonna try it. Also, now they say that strawberry and Fanta. This is the first time I've seen this. 0. Alam. Thank you. What's the name of the soup?
Bawal.
What?
Bawal.
Bawal?
Please, name
Yeah.
Bawal.
Bawal?
Bawal.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Yes, welcome.
Kay day mee goreng. I think that's pretty famous. Pasit Canton sa to. Karon, let's ride a motorcycle. Pabalik sa atong hotel. I don't know how long it'll take, but bahala na. Ako na to. Dito sa hotel, guys. Yeah, it was a long day, and it was a very exhausting day. You know, from traveling, going to the island, riding the ferry, riding a motorcycle for a long time. The hike, going to, what's her name? King Beach. That was crazy, but it was worth it because the beach was so beautiful and it was so nice. And if I could, I would do it all over again. Currently, it's 8:36. I might squeeze in a workout. You gotta stay fit, you know, kahit na nasa vacation. So yeah, let's go. Let's work out. So today's our last day here in Bali. Karon want to like seafood restaurant because I want to try their, you know, their local cuisines. So I'm gonna ride a bike again, and yeah, let's go. So here we are. We're gonna eat some seafood. You know, near the beach. Huh? Nagulan ganyan, nag-bike, nag-motor. Biloy. Grab. Maon ta, maon. Kasayan. Plans. Kanon. Gulay. Kaon ta gulay, guys. Matagaon. Uli natin. Kaya medyo kaulan nun lang. And hindi ko ba yan ma-stranded. Parang ando rin na dito kabalo. I guess that's it for our Bali vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely enjoyed it. You know, it was a one of a kind experience. So nice. So yeah, just stay tuned for the next ones. You know, I just like to thank you all for watching. Salamat sa pagtanaw, and I'll see you on our next vlog. Watch out.